Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, January 27, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, January 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong January 27, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, January 27, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for January 27, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, January 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.